Carpentry can be a lucrative career. Welcome back to DGA Tutorials. Today, we are talking about carpentry. To become a carpenter, one typically needs a combination of formal training, practical experience, and essential skills. This often involves completing an apprenticeship, which includes on-the-job training and in-school instruction, followed by acquiring relevant certifications and licenses. A strong work ethic, attention to detail, and physical stamina are also crucial for success in this trade. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Formal training and education, high school diploma or equivalent. A high school diploma or GED is generally a prerequisite for entering a carpentry apprenticeship program. Apprenticeship. A formal apprenticeship program, like the one offered by Skilled Trades Ontario, is a common path. This typically involves 7,200 hours of training, split between on-the-job experience, 6,480 hours, and in-school instruction, 720 hours. Pre-apprenticeship programs. Consider enrolling in a pre-apprenticeship program at a reputable trade school, such as Skilled Trades College of Canada, to gain foundational knowledge and skills. Optional certifications. After completing the apprenticeship, you can pursue a certificate of qualification, CFQ, and/or a builder's license, which may be necessary for specific roles or projects. Red Seal examination. Passing the Red Seal examination is another optional step that demonstrates a high level of competency and can be beneficial for career advancement. 1. Essential skills. Technical skills. Carpenters need to be proficient in various tasks, including reading blueprints, measuring, cutting, shaping, assembling, and joining materials. They also need to be knowledgeable about woodworking machinery and tools. Physical stamina. The job requires physical strength and endurance to handle tools, materials, and work in various positions for extended periods. Attention to detail. Precision and accuracy are crucial in carpentry, as errors can impact the structural integrity and aesthetics of a project. Problem-solving skills. Carpenters often need to adapt to unexpected situations, modify plans, and find solutions to challenges that arise during a project. Mathematical skills. Basic mathematical concepts like algebra, geometry, and statistics are essential for accurate measurements, calculations, and cost estimations. Communication and interpersonal skills. Carpenters need to communicate effectively with clients, team members, and other construction professionals. Work ethic. A strong work ethic, including reliability, punctuality, and a willingness to learn, is essential for success in any trade. 1. Career advancement, entry-level positions. Start as a carpenter's helper or apprentice to gain practical experience and learn from experienced professionals. Progress to journeyman. After completing your apprenticeship and gaining sufficient experience, you can become a journeyman carpenter. Specialization. Carpenters can specialize in various areas such as framing, finishing, formwork, or historical restoration. Supervisory roles. With experience and leadership skills, carpenters can advance to supervisory roles, managing teams and projects. Business ownership. Some carpenters choose to start their own businesses, offering carpentry services to clients. Carpentry business can be lucrative, but it depends on various factors like skill level, business acumen, and market demand. While some carpenters may earn a comfortable living, others may struggle to achieve financial success. Skills and specialization. High-end finish carpentry, custom woodworking, and specialized millwork can command premium prices. Business management, effective marketing, pricing strategies, and cost management are crucial for profitability. Market conditions. Demand for carpentry services, especially in new construction or renovation projects, can fluctuate. Location. Local market conditions and competition can affect pricing and workload. Scale of operation. A small one-person operation will have different income potential than a larger company with employees. Hourly rates. Carpentry rates can range from $50 to $120 per hour, but this can vary widely. Gross revenue. A carpentry business might generate $100,000 to $250,000 in gross revenue annually. Net income. After expenses, net income for a carpentry business owner can range from $75,000 to $92,000, according to upcover.com. Potential for growth. Starting a woodworking business can lead to various income streams, including custom orders, furniture flipping, or teaching woodworking. Training and experience. Building a strong foundation of carpentry skills through formal training or apprenticeship is essential. Networking and marketing. Building relationships with clients, contractors, and other professionals is vital. Business planning. Developing a comprehensive business plan, including financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans, is crucial. Adaptability. Staying updated with new trends, technologies, and market demands is important for long-term success. In conclusion, while carpentry can be a profitable business, it requires a combination of skilled craftsmanship, sound business practices, and a proactive approach to marketing and client management. Overall, if you have the skill set and the passion to create, this could be for you. If you find this video useful, please share and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video.